Everybody can see it. Say me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, y'all be safe, I make you clean so. Y'all be safe, what? Oi, ahora, wicked.
Off to uni, off to uni. Oh my gosh, I got no eyeliner on.
Beaches, going out, eating. Oh, it was so nice. And I'm back in England where I have no life.
Saving it. Say hello to YouTube, uncle.
Hello.
It's a vlog. Say hello.
Yo, God.
Wow. What do you go uni? What's that uni? Off to uni. Off to uni. Off to uni. Look who's come. Oh no, my nose ring. Off to uni. Off to uni. I'm real special. My nose ring. My nose ring.
Quick for attack. Leave me that. Rough them up. Enough see the glamour and the glitter, them say all is well. But when me I go through, only the Lord will tell. One heap of pain, one heap of stress up on me head. As me out born the next day, me granny dead. But them say, one no kill you, make you stronger. Me see some man a try jam me out, but me I go and hold the young.
What is going on this morning? No, this is funny. No, that's you. Got my moonlight stone. Oh, you can try it.
Step on me head. As me out born the next day, me granny dead. But them say, one no kill you, make you stronger. Me see some man a try jam me out, but me I go and hold the younger. Me hear them talk, but me no answer Jamie and Jade. And tell me say fi sing that song, yeah, right now I just the mercy of God. The mercy of God. The mercy of God. No, oh man I go through, I just the mercy of God. I just the mercy of God. Right now I just the mercy of God. The mercy of God. The mercy of God. No, oh man I go through, I just the mercy.
And none of my girls are in my class, but all being spit up. So basically I'm kind of just walking around, not walking around, I'm waiting for one of my spotties, Pellies, to get out of class so we can go to lunch together.
So that means I'm supposed to be there here now. I don't think your name is not there for this for our list.
I need to ask someone this for you. Is Serena in there by any chance? Sardine.
Very, very good.
Back with the squad.
We're back, different classes, but
What's gonna happen with that?
I'm going downstairs to campaign right now.
That is crazy.
They proper moved us around. Like,
So where's Sandra?
is she not in your class?
No.
She's in 303.
She's not in my
Oh,
class.
maybe she was in 304.
Actually, I think I saw. I came there, no one was in the class. I was like, oh shit, am I by myself?
But Peter just said he's going to be
Unless, I don't know, because I was at the front. I didn't even have time to look at no one. Back with the squad. Back with the squad.
I walked in this morning, I'm thinking, oh my god, everybody walks in, I didn't recognise.
But there's bare aunties in my class.
Bare on everybody.
Listen, bare aunties in the class.
They're all fucking fresh. I'm going to
Mad.
say, you put me in a class with non-speaking English people.
United, and it feels so good. Listen,
Yeah.
the class has got bare strange people. Bare strange people. So now we need to go and find everyone else.
Let's go down.
Are you gonna text Sandra? Is Sandra in today?
Yeah, she is. She's in class as well.
What class is she in? My class
Look,
is
she's like, everyone says to go to room 303. Why is your phone look 10 times bigger than mine?
I got a new fan. I didn't see Sandra, but I was at the I was at the proper front. No, basically what happened, I went in the class, yeah, and this woman out of nowhere, oh, come to the front. I was thinking, alright, cause she's older than me, let me try to respect the thing, yeah. So I went to go sit next to her, but I was thinking, I didn't see why I sat next to her. I can't even talk to her for the whole class. I didn't even talk to her. But you know you don't want to be disrespectful, so you just thought.
Yeah.
Bro, have you seen what they're trying to teach us? Business bombard. That was so awkward. My man said, "What Muslims?" I should have called that. I should have put that on camera.
And I'm back in England where I have no life,
It's true.
no friends, nothing. Joking.
No friends.
I'm joking. I'm like sat at home all day.
Oh yeah.
So bored of
Wednesday and Fridays.
What days was your classes?
Yesterday it was Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Tuesdays and Thursdays?
Yeah, but now it's
Say yes. It's
I can't
mad.
believe I missed it this year. Everyone was saying it was so good. I seen all the pictures.
But I think 2
and,
people
like,
died though, you know. Yeah,
Why?
because basically they were going home on the motorbikes, and you know how motorbikes they speed and
And they
stuff.
drive like that.
But
ain't
it's
got
better
no
you
sense
rent.
out there.
It's better they rented a hotel on the beach,
On
the
the
beach road.
Yeah. Is it close? Could you get like?
It's
villas
on the beach road.
Mm.
Check out Travellers. Oh,
Because
no,
that's
you've
what
already
we
booked
was trying
already.
to think. No, she
Travellers
said
is
she booked
bad.
one. She's like £900 for a week between 3 people. I said, look, you silly girl.
Whoa.
Go back and find it. You
No,
can find
check out
cheaper
Travellers.
in it.
Travellers.
Yeah.
Travellers
Is that what you
is
say?
bad. Yes.
Cheap.
Listen.
You guys
Listen.
She got some good in Travellers about
No,
Travellers.
Travellers actually good. They have the what's it called? The pool.
Yeah. I don't have one, but I know my ID number is on here.
Yeah, God, I just the mercy of God. Leave me life, I bring too much stress in a man. Me feel it would have better off dead in a man. Cause look, me spend all of my savings, still suit to go a step.
What happened? Oh, let me pause this. It's about to get a bit X-rated.
Alright, okay.
Yeah, this is actually on the first vlog, you know, when we were back on the market. You know,
Oh,
the
yeah,
first
we've
vlog,
actually
we were
done
actually right here.
market.
Sorry. Huh?
What room you in?
303.
Well, that's what we just had our first lesson.
You was in 306.
No, it's 303.
Is it 303?
You lot were in 303?
I didn't see you.
She's in the same room as you. Oh,
Me, I was
You
in
was just-
303.
No, you wasn't.
It's like I was at the front.
Oh, who's your teacher?
Some man.
Martin.
Yes!
I didn't see you. I didn't see you.
Where down you in my class? Where was you?
Martin.
Sullivan.
Yeah, I just had
Sullivan.
you must have learned quick time. And I came in at 5:02, so I didn't see you.
I came in like, I don't know, when did I come into class? I came in early. Y'all are in my class. I swear down. So you don't want to be late in the back no more. No, you know what happened?
No, you need to stay at the front then.
You know what happened, yeah? Some auntie told me to come to the front and I was like, alright, cool. I didn't want to respect her, innit? Because she's a big woman.
Behind Grace. One more.
Shut up!
Yeah.
I didn't see you guys.
Look, Sandra came in very late though. Sandra came in.
Yeah,
about
Sandra's always late.
11:15.
Shut the front door. So I'm not alone.
No.
Amen. Look, I got no eyeliner on today.
You lot on your makeup.
I don't have a
You need to
makeup.
go on all natural like me now.
Who? To uni. You're having a laugh,
I'm a
bruh.
natural beauty, man.
Listen, I'm natural beauty, but my skin be going through some stages right now. I got
You're going to Jamaica and come back. It does affect
your skin, yeah. The sun does mess up your skin, let's be real.
When you're out there, your skin is beautiful.
And when you come back, you look black as tar.
Yeah.
Bro, when I came back, I was so bleak. Oh my god.
How was your holiday?
It was lovely.
When are you going back?
I don't know.
What are you going to say, December?
I wanted to go back in December, but I don't know when uni gives the holiday break, and because we have to hand in 2 assignments between December and January, there's no point stressing myself about it. Do you know what I mean? That's how I'm at the funds are a bit low for that drama right there.
Because and then from January, you're off for 9 months. You just got placement.
9 months.
You come back in January. We come back for like getting on to him.
I'm preaching it. You may as well marry the man. 11 goddamn years. 3 beautiful kids. And you still ain't gonna marry the man?
Still ain't married him.
And you still ain't married the guy.
Because I believe
Bloody
we
hell.
can live how we are comfortable.
You know what? If he was
And
like
he
that, then
believes
I'll
that
be
you
like,
can live
cool.
married life comfortably
And still
as
be
well.
comfortable.
You can live different things, you just have to
And plus, you lot have been
compromise
together for so long.
Do you know the
so
thing
many
is, yeah?
years.
When we got together, it was just sex.
That's
The
what
good
they
times.
3 years.
It was just sex.
Yeah,
It was just
3 years.
Yeah.
Sex.
Right.
Just being alone.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Really?
I got pregnant in the 3rd year.
Other man.
No other man.
He must have had some good thing.
Trust me, it's still got it.
It's still got it. That's why she ain't complaining.
You don't want to lock it down. You don't want to.
One man to a pum pum, yeah.
It's not too long. It is just perfect.
You know when you have sex with somebody and they just like right everything, it just feels right, like the right size, right with right. Oh my god.
Do you see what university students talk about? Sex, sexual intercourse. Mad. So what's Nick up?
See the height of me.
You pick him up.
I have baby, I've been fucked up.
No, I have missed you guys banter.
I really have, you know. I'm
funny.
so glad to be back in uni.
All in the same class?
Yes, we're all in the same class now.
I was saying to Liz, I can't wait to come back. I can't wait to come back because
I know I couldn't wait, but now you come back to this, you're thinking I don't want to come to uni every day.
Really?
Well, now I do because now I'm in the class.
Miss Uni, that's it.
I
Yeah.
made the right decision
missed
changing
the
my
friendship.
timetable on Monday.
Yeah.
Because
When
my
was
time-
yours?
Same as last time.
Tuesday,
So was
Thursday.
mine. Huh? I want Chinese.
She wants her Chinese.
I don't care if you're gonna poison me, poison me.
I don't know how you good
What,
enough because I can't eat from the place that's poison.
Really, babe? I can.
Don't you believe in second chances?
Everyone deserves a second chance, even the
Everyone.
Chinese man.
Anyway, I don't go cash point.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh wait, that cash point is
Oh,
far.
there's one cash point
Oh,
there.
there's one there, innit?
I can't give you this one.
What's that pretty £5 note?
It's the new ones, isn't it?
But I can't give it to
What's that
her.
pretty £5 note? I know, I got one today. I got one yesterday.
Did you?
It's cute.
Oh, you took the tampering out.
Yeah.
You're not putting it back.
Can we go to that? Are you not listening? That one's packed. Should we go to that one?
That was far. I look like a baby without eyeliner, you know. I look 12.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Fucking hell. I don't know. When was the last time I seen you?
That's a reader.
It's my wife.
That's a wrong.
You're supposed to be. That's what I'm saying.
Yo.
Give me the fucking £5, Sasha.
Give me that £5. Give her the £5, Sasha. She said, Shabaloka.
£5.
And she loves you, you know.
away.
This is love. That is love. That is love. You trying to be famous like me?
What's that for? You didn't have vlog or something?
It's what I'm on YouTube. They know I'm famous now. I got 103 subscribers now. They know I'm famous now.
Big up the
I'm such a geek. We don't do whiteys, we do Indians. We do coolie man them.
I like them black, dark.
So do I.
The darker the better.
The darker the berry, the sweeter the juice.
Do you hear that? So if there's any black subscribers, you know what to do. That's it, Serena. No, not black. She likes them dark. Ash. You know what?
I stop right there.
Ashy skin. Lunchtime with the squaddies. Squad. Gang. No, my timetable was for today, baby girl.
Ah.
He's doing the front of the class and nobody's seeing you.
No.
I was thinking, am I alone? Like, no one saw me. Nobody saw me. I was thinking, whoa.
Because I came in at 10:02. But I saw at the back because I saw Grace. Then I saw
Pushing the queue, like, ooh. Let me just stop this real. No, I can edit stuff. I can edit.
I can edit, so anything goes. I can fuck off of it, but I'm not going. What's this?
my child man, I'm so happy for her. She's been here for 22 years and she finally got 2.5 years extension.
Who?
My child minder.
They were going to deport her
No, they give her 2.5 years extension.
to what, to live in the country.
Yeah.
So why haven't they given her stay?
That's what everybody
But
thinks.
lately now they've proper cracked. Did you hear how much Jamaican they ship back?
Fam,
to
they
Jamaica
shipped
when
like
we
what,
were in
64 Jamaicans? Mad. Mad.
I saw people on Facebook who just nothing.
Yeah.
They're not playing no
No,
more.
but they're gonna deport her because she's been here for 22 years.
Does that law still stand?
Yeah, you can't because remember she came here when she was 15.
Yeah.
So she spent half of her life here already.
So why did she take so long to look back her papers? That makes no sense.
She didn't know she didn't have her stay. Because what happened is auntie take her from St. Lucia.
Right.
Yeah, and
St.
have her
Lucian.
as a brother. Yeah, as her have a slave.
Oh
Looking
God,
after the
wickedness,
kids,
and then
I
come
know.
box me back, wicked man.
You had her as a slave, cooking, cleaning, and then after 10 years,
Yeah.
that's when she discovered.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh
When the auntie
God.
went back to St. Lucia.
What a wicked witch.
Yeah.
No, sir.
So she's been trying ever since then to find someone to sort her. She couldn't find.
Why didn't she just get...
I know. I'm glad for her though, but which means I won't have a childminder.
So you don't have to worry about your childminder no more.
I won't have anyone to look after my kids. For me to come uni, innit?
True.
So
Oh, I am hot.
it
Like,
is, they're walking in it.
I just feel bare sweaty. Woo!
Did you get Chinese?
Yeah, I got Chinese.
I don't know how
I
you
feel
like do
bare
that, you
hot
know.
and sweaty. Why?
I couldn't eat from them.
Oh, because what? Karina felt sick last time.
Yeah.
In God we trust, don't you know that?
And the good thing that day I didn't eat either.
True.
Her face was just like,
Yeah, so we have a smoke-free squad. Well, semi.
You stop.
No, she ain't stopping for no one.
Oh yeah, Sandra.
Ganja, baby.
me, I was in Jamaica. I got that shit on a lot. Like,
Ganja,
I was
baby.
drunk every day. And plus, because they go
Oh
around-
shit, girl, we're gonna die.
literally pick it off and let it dry out. And
Where?
oh,
The little black boy. You know, see in Tal.
exactly why I'm saying who is that? Someone I can
Do you wanna go
relate
talk to him? Do you wanna go talk to him? No. Say, hey babes, it always works with me. What's your number?
No, but some girls doesn't care.
Some females really don't.
Like,
Females, as long as they're getting a little piece of it.
Some females don't give a fuck.
exactly.
I'm not being rude or anything, but if I met a guy and I like him, he's trying to tell me one thing, and even though he had a girlfriend, I can see that, but he's telling me something.
No, come on, if he's hiding it, cool.
But if he's
putting it in your face, then
even
what
if
the
he's
fuck
putting it
are
in my face, he's telling me something to make me believe that even though he does have a girlfriend, that me and him are still chatting. Like, I can have some of them were cool.
Drop yourself out. Like, if he's out there putting his girl 24/7, day in, day out, changing pictures
you
on
do kind of
rotation,
think.
then you're silly for that one. Seriously.
As a female,
No,
I
but
feel
the thing
like
is,
you're
some
undermining me.
girls
Some girls don't.
Yeah. It's just like if he's married, they don't care. As long as
I need to tell him, take my fucking picture down because you have no respect. You and them bitches ain't got no respect. And it's not them bitches, it's you.
No, some females don't give a fuck. Man don't know, man. If your man leave between that, like, I'ma take it. I'm joking, I won't. Not
Wanna
me.
hear that? Wanna hear that?
I don't take people's man. I don't take step on toes like that, but some females are savage. Yeah.
No, let me be real. British girls are savage, full stop. British born girls are savage. They don't care. They don't
got no
care. They'll
bring-up
take your
seat.
man same way. They have no brought up seat.
No.
Nothing about them.
Nothing about them than
Nothing at all. Nasty little girl them. Then we take your man in a yai ball.
Queen too hard, him gone.
You hear that? If you're queen too hard, your man gone.
Female, if you're talking to a guy, you see him constantly put up pictures of his girlfriend or
Right.
someone that he's with, won't you feel like, do you know what, this guy needs to go? Because
Yeah.
he really has a girlfriend, why am I still talking to
Of
him?
course he needs to go. It's logic. If a guy is there putting up pictures of his girlfriend constantly and you're still in the corner, then you are the ultimate side chick.
Proper side chick.
But then again, your man is wrong for entertaining that girl anyway. So it takes two to tango. It
You're
takes.
putting up my picture, but you're putting up a picture just to prove to you pictures. Like your picture's up and up, like blah blah blah, but you could be saying to him, it's just a picture.
Exactly. Talk up the thing, Sandra. Yes. And when the boy hush up and she said, okay. Because.
This girl is running her mouth the most.
Huh? I don't understand. So they do not agree. Okay, we're gonna pay for this. Finish. No. Cash. Coins in. Coins in.
Insert cash or touch pay with card.
Finished. Where are these girls? I was thinking, oh my god, you just done left me. You just have a bad friend. Bad friend. You got back to your £5.
Yeah. And you know where this is where I bought it from today.
Is it?
Yeah. So maybe Sainsbury's, this Sainsbury's. Now I'm saving it.
Say hello to YouTube, Uncle. Yeah. We go to the... You've gotten better from last term though. You're not camera shy no more. Because y'all never saw her on my YouTube last term. But she was all camera shy. Business and healthcare management. What do you study? What do you study? Security. I don't wrong you. You study security, I study healthcare. Don't worry. See you later, Uncle. Woo.
Like that before.
Wait, I want to snap this like
You wanna? It's not a picture, you know. It's a vlog. Say hello.
Yo, God.
Wow. What do you go uni? What's that uni? Oh, what's your name?
Nicole.
Nicole. Oh, where you from?
Yeah.
Yard. Jamaican. What are you studying?
This is a marketing.
Oh, we got the fellow business person here. Say hi.
So much money.
Nothing runs my belly because I'm a sweatpack. Nah. We're all eating, munching.
except me.
Except. So I'll catch y'all later. Bye.
Everybody can see it. Say me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, gotta be safe, I make you clean so. Gotta be safe.